Hello, and today we'll be checking out our new updated plugin. That's the Magento 2 booking and reservation plugin. And this particular plugin basically creates dynamic booking and reservation system for your Magento 2 web store products. So this plugin basically would convert your Magento 2 store into a dynamic event-driven site. And this plugin for the Magento 2, that's the booking and reservation, provides two types of booking and reservation products that can be created, and that's the many bookings in a day and one booking for many days. So I'll just take you through the workflow of the same. So right now you can see that I'm at the storefront of the Magento 2 web store. I've logged into my customer account, and here I'm right now under the booking category. And here I have this product for booking a room. So here's the name of the room. Here we have the SKU of the room, the price of the room, and a book now button to choose the appropriate date so as to make a booking for this particular booking product. Now kindly note that the product import and the export by the admin will not work with this module. And apart from this particular booking and reservation plugin, I've also added one more link within the description of this particular video, wherein you can check the Magento 2 advanced booking and reservation. That is an extension to this one, having much more functionalities there. So we have just made a few changes here within this particular plugin. That's the Magento 2 booking and reservation. So we have just changed the interface for the same. So right now you can see a totally different interface that we are having with different notations like available slots, unavailable slots, booked slots. And here you can see that we have a booking period that's from 22 till 24th, along with the start time, end time, and the available slots for that particular one. So if I just navigate to our 2021 year, so here you can see the yellow one says unavailable slots, because the slot was starting from 12 p.m. till the 10 a.m. So basically for 22nd we can do it, but not for 21st. Alright, so because the slot has already the time for the slot has already passed by. Now if any of the slots having the available quantity, as you can see right now it says 1000, so if it gets to 0, then you'll see a red marker under the particular date, wherein the customer can know that the booking slots for that particular day are totally closed. Now from here the customers can easily select the slot that they want to purchase and can add it to the cart and can then make a checkout thereafter. So before proceeding further and showing you the rest of the flow for the one booking for many days like this one, and many bookings in a day, and giving you an example for both of the booking types, kindly do subscribe to our channel and press the bell icon to receive the latest updates. Apart from that, if you find this particular video helpful, then do kindly give it a thumbs up. So for example, I want to make a booking from 23rd, and I can see that this particular booking can be done for the date that's from starting from 23rd till 21st, and the time is from 12 p.m. 23rd till 10 a.m. till the 24th there. So now to make a booking, you need to just choose the number of slots that you want to purchase. So for example, I'll just go for 2. And as soon as I've entered 2 here, you can see that we have a small summary here for the customers that 2 slots have been selected for the booking that you're going to do between the dates, that is 23 and 24, starting 12 p.m. on 23 and ending on 24th at 10 a.m. in the morning. You can also remove this up from here. We're just tapping here on the cancel button, and then you can remove the slot by tapping OK on the prompt, and you can see that it's reset to 0. Now let's make it as 2, and then let's tap here in the book now button. Now the slot creation that you have created, it depends for how long you have set it up. You can see that we have already set it for a long period of time there. So let's tap here in the book now button, and you can see that you have added the particular booking product that you want to book, that's luxury room, into the cart here. And within the cart you can see the name of the booking product, and you can see the details like the booking from and the booking to values with the date and the start and end time of the same, along with the per slot price, that is $100. So the quantity is 2, so that's why the cart total is $200 there. Now let's tap here on the proceed to checkout button. So after this we'll see how we can check if a particular slot has no bookings available there. So I'll show you that as well. And on the checkout page here, you can see that the customer can easily choose the payment mode, whether it's an online or depending upon what requirements are being provided to the customers for making the payment there. Now under the order summary here, you can see that there are 2 items within the cart. That's the 2 slots are there, the booking from and the start time, the booking to and the time ending for the particular booking is there. The quantity is here. You can also make appropriate changes here as well. And let's make it as 300, and initially the slot was showing is 1000 slots were available. Now let's place the order, and let's then check how the booking product basically shows the difference within that particular booking slot. So we have just purchased 3 booking slots from here, and this was the one booking for many days kind of a booking product. So let's go to the order details. As a customer, order 187. If I scroll down, product name, booking from with time, booking till from date and time, the price, SKU, quantity, grand total, the payment method, and the billing address of the customer. Now if I go back to the booking category, and thereafter I'll be just opening the same booking product, that's the Hotel Blue Shine luxury room. We also have this consultation one. I'll just show you that as well in a moment. And the consultation one would be kind of many bookings in a day. Alright, so here if I now tap on the book now button, let's navigate to our date. So here you can see that we had done it for the 23rd. We've booked 3 slots. Now only 997 remain. Now let's purchase 997. You can see now it shows available 0. Here's the summary. Let's tap here in the book now button. It will be added to the cart. Let's make a checkout thereafter. And after we have placed the order, then we'll just see how that particular red underline shows the customers that that particular booking slot is not available for the chosen date. So I'll just place the order. Alright, the order has been placed, and we have order number 188. This is the total amount there, the price per unit per slot. Let's go to the booking section, and I'll just open the booking product for the room, and we'll go to the date. That's the 23rd of January 2021. Now you can see that under 23 now it shows a red notation. That means the slots have been completely booked. Yellow shows the unavailable slots because the slot time starting is 12 p.m. till 10 a.m. and the green one shows the available slots. So that's how if I tap here now on the 23rd, you can see the slot is there, but 1 day slot is there, but there are no slots available for purchase. But if I go to the 24th, we have 1000 slots available for that particular booking duration. Now this was how the customers can make the use of this particular booking and reservation plugin so as to book a product online. Now this was one booking for many days. Now let's come to the other booking product type, that's many bookings in a day. So I've created this physiotherapy consultation product, the booking product name, the price of the product, the SKU, You can also see that I've added the social links here so that you can share the particular product on the social networks as well. Now that would basically create a link to share on Facebook and on the Twitter as well. So if I go to the Facebook, you'll have to log in and then you can share the particular URL of this particular physiotherapy consultation booking product type. Same for the Twitter as well. Now here on this product type, let's type here in the book now product. Now we'll just choose the dates. So here you can see that we have Saturdays and Sundays are off. So they are being shown as unavailable slots. This can be set from the backend panel by the admin himself. And if any of the slots for a particular period are completely sorted out, then it would be a notation on that particular date underlined as with a red line. Now the green ones are the available one, and the green ones are the available ones. So here you can see that on the 21st, that's basically today's date. There are around 1, 2, 3, and 4 slots, and the slots are having their respective timelines. So the very first one is from the 6 p.m. to 6:25 p.m. and right now it's just around 5:57. That's why we're able to see the first slot there. Otherwise that would have not been available to the customers to choose. And each slot has 100 units. All right. Now we can purchase multiple slots here from the different ones that have already been created. So for example, let me add 30 slots from this one, and as soon as I've entered, you can see that only 70 would be left thereafter. And let's choose the last one between 7:30 p.m. to 7:55 p.m. So let's choose only 3 out of them, so it's 97. Now if I scroll down under the summary, we can see that 3 slots are selected for the booking between 7:30 p.m. to 7:35. 30 slot is selected for the booking between 6:30 p.m. to 6:55 p.m. So that's the other booking type. That's the many bookings in a day, wherein the customers can make multiple bookings in a day itself. So this also works for the booking tickets for the movies within the cinemas as well, for the consultation as well, or if you're giving out your bikes or your cars on the rental on a daily basis, that way as well this particular booking product type can be chosen. Now let's get ahead and let's place the order, and after like around 2-3 minutes we'll come back to this same date and let's see if this particular first one would be available there, because right now it's Thursday, Jan 21, 2020, and the time is right now 5:59 p.m. So let's go first and place the orders as per our chosen slots. So here we have the consultation from date 7:30 to 7:55 p.m. 3 quantity, and here we have on the 21st 6:30 to 6:55 p.m. We're having 30 slots. Let's proceed to checkout and let's place the order thereafter. Now after this I'll be just showing you an overview of how the web store admin who has a Magento 2 platform based web store can easily create these booking products from the backend, how he can enable or disable different days as well, how you can set up the quantity for each of the created booking slots there, and how you can create the many bookings in a day and one booking for many days as well. Alright, the order has been placed, 189 order number, and here are the details with the same for the customer to check. Now let's go back to the booking section and let's go to the physiotherapy consultation booking product type, that is of the type that's the multiple bookings in one day. And here let's tap on the book now button. Now as I was talking to you, I just told you the first one that we have. For example, let's go to 2021, and if I go to 22, look, we had some slots in the initial time as well there, but for 21st, now we only have 3 left. Initially we had 4, and because the time right now is 6:01. All right, so the initial one slot that was there from around 5 or whatever there was, now that's not available for the booking purposes. Rest of the ones are there. Similarly, if the time goes like it's 6:32, then this one slot would not be available for the customers to choose and make a booking there. So we had purchased 30 from this, 3 from here, and the same are visible here. All right. So that was about the Magento 2 booking a reservation plugin, allowing us to create 2 different booking and reservation product types. And now let's hop onto the admin backend panel and let's see what different configurations are there for the admin to do and how he can create these booking product types. So I've already created, so I'll be just editing the products to just give you an overview of the same. So let's hop onto the admin backend panel now. So I'll be logging into the admin backend panel by entering my username password, and after login we'll be navigated onto the dashboard of our Magento 2 web store backend. And here, let me cross it out, and from here, and one more thing was I just wanted to tell you that it supports multiple what we say as the currencies, and it also supports the multi-site, multi-store, multi-currency things within the Magento 2 store. So there's no worry there for you to take any tensions. So be it a customer from another country or having another payment mode, everything is good to go. Now let's hop onto the admin backend once again. So to create the booking product or the reservation product, the admin will have to go to the section, that's the catalog, and under that he'll go to the products section. And from the product section, he'll be able to create the one booking for many days and many bookings in a day product. So for that, what he needs to do is from the add product drop down, he'll choose the booking product. So this is the new booking product type that we have introduced for the Magento 2 web stores, allowing you to create very easily the 2 booking product types or the reservation types. So we can also we'll first just tap here on the booking product. That brings up the section where now we'll be able to create a new booking product. And here we'll have to enter the details of this particular product. And if I scroll down, these are the basic details of that product: name, SKU, price, quantity, categories. All right. And this section here is for the booking product. That's the booking information. So right now it's disabled, and from here, from the drop down, you can choose one booking in many bookings in one day, or one booking for many days. So if I choose one booking, many bookings in one day, like the physiotherapy that we were talking about, we can choose the start date, and we can choose the end date for the booking product. We can set up the time slot in minutes and the break between time slots. Okay, so if I set 60, after 60 minutes there will be a 5-minute break, then another 60-minute slot, and so on. Now here you can see we have the days of the week, and we have the start time for the booking slots, the end time for each, and for each day and the slot we have the option for the status, so we can set it as open or closed. So if you remember, we have those yellow lines on the Saturdays and Sundays, for example. So that's why they were not available there for the purchase. So if I go back here, you can see that 23rd, 24th, 30, 31st, they are all not available, unavailable slots. So that can be set up from this particular section. So that was it, and accordingly you can choose your start time and the end time for the particular day, and accordingly you can set up your details. Tap here in the save button, and you're done creating your many bookings in one day. The same goes for the one booking for many days. So if we choose it for this, then we'll have to choose the start date and date of the booking, then we can add the bookings. And here you can do one thing. For example, we have a Sunday, we'll choose the start time of this particular booking, and the end date. For example, we have started on Sunday, we'll take it on to Tuesday. So this booking product type is like what we say as one booking for many days, like a hotel reservation. Okay, and the end time we can set. Similarly, we can add multiple ones as well. All right, and then you just need to tap in the save button to save the same. Now, after the bookings are being purchased by the customers from the storefront, the admin can check those by going to the booking system here on the side panel and tapping here in the view bookings sub-menu option, and that will bring up the section with the complete details of all of the bookings that have been made for the two booking product types, with the booking ID, the order reference number. These were the ones that we just placed, the booking from and till dates, the email of the customers, and the option to view the particular orders by tapping the view link under the actions column here. And that brings up the complete information of the orders being placed. So here we have the product type, the SKU, booking from, booking till values, and the same itself. Also, the customers receive an email on their registered email address of the bookings that they have made. For example, we have the Hotel Blue Shine Luxury Room. At the bottom and you can see the details of the quantity too, and the price is $200. And a mail for the same has been sent out to the customer saying that thanks thank you for your order at our store, and the details of the same. Now let's go to one of the booking products that we had already created. So I'll just navigate through catalog and then products. So I've just searched the hotel and the booking product, and let me tap here on the edit link. So while adding a new product, you have to choose the booking product type from the drop down, then scroll down and choose the booking product type. So you can see that the price is set, the quantity has been set as 1,000 for each of the slot that you're going to create. This is the booking information section wherein you need to choose many bookings in one day or one booking for many days. Choose the starting and the ending date. And for all of these slots, the quantity would be set as 1,000. And the same goes for the other product as well. That was for the physiotherapy. And let me go to the storefront ones, and let's go to the booking section once again. And on the booking section, let me open any one. Let's open this one once again. And yes, that was much about the Magento 2 booking and reservation plugin, and I hope it helped you out in understanding the flow of the same. If you still have any questions, queries, suggestions, or requirements, then kindly do get back to us at support@webkul.com, raise a ticket at webkul@uvidesk.com, or contact us through https://webkul.com/contacts. And lastly, if you find this particular video helpful, then kindly do give it a thumbs up. And lastly, thanks for watching this particular video, and have a great day ahead.